here today on the last day of 2023 to join us. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now, in a few minutes, birds will be flying all over the place, and we'd like you to have an amazing experience learning and observing these amazing hunters. In order for us to do this, kindly let's observe these safety principles. Number one, food is not allowed throughout the presentation. Please don't attempt to raise your hands or make any sudden movements to attract the bird's attention. Remember, you're dealing with extremely dangerous birds. And last but not least, for the parents and guardians, please do keep your children seated right next to you. Do you agree on this? Are we ready to begin?
Yes!
Give some more energy. Are you ready?
Yes!
Awesome! The first bird we're going to call is known as the greatest for the eagle. I'm done.
Eagle. പറത്തത്. Wow! പറന്നിരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇതിന്റെ പറക്കല.
Yes, this is Hamdan. And Hamdan is a greater spotted eagle. Now, the greater spotted eagle might not be as big as the other eagles you're going to see later, but his hunting skills and character give him the privilege of being a true eagle. He's bold and fearless, and he loves his freedom. Now, birds like Hamdan or the greater spotted eagle are populated in European countries. But unfortunately, we are seeing a very high decline in their numbers. This is because of some natural as well as some man-made factors. And among the man-made factors, of course, is deforestation and destruction of their habitat as well as pollution and poisoning. So if you want to see such birds in the future, let us protect them now and join in conservation efforts to protect these birds for the future generations. Now, let's have a look at how he's flying.
പറക്കുന്നു മജസ്റ്റിക്.
They usually are diurnal by nature, which means that they hunt in the morning and during the night they go off to sleep and rest in their nests. That's why here we have Hamdan going off to bed. Give a round of applause. Hamdan. Now, Hamdan, he hunts in the morning.